In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your Godaddy website in just a few simple steps. A favicon, in case you're not familiar, is that small icon you see in your browser tab next to the page title. It's a subtle but powerful way to personalize your site and make it look more professional. Let's get started. First, head over to the Godaddy website and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the product section. This is where you'll find all of the services you've purchased, like domain names and websites. From your product dashboard, look for the website you want to update. Click on it, and you'll see a set of additional options. One of the most important ones here is Edit Website. Go ahead and click that. This will take you into the Godaddy website builder. Inside the editor, look for the Settings menu. It's usually found in a sidebar or dropdown, and this is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes details of your site. Within the settings, you should see an option labeled Favicon. Click it, and this will open up the upload area for your site's icon. Now, all you need to do is upload your favicon file. Make sure you've prepared the image ahead of time, ideally a small square graphic, often 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels. Click Upload, select your file from your computer, and confirm. And that's it. Your favicon is now live on your Godaddy website. It's a small detail, but it adds a professional finishing touch and helps your brand stand out. Thanks for watching, and good luck customizing your site.